Setting up for a crucial business meeting only to realize your webcam makes you look like a blurry, pixelated mess in a dark room is an instant confidence killer. The Yealink 4K USB video conference camera completely eliminates that frustration, transforming any messy desk, home office, or corporate huddle space into a crystal clear, executive-level studio. This all-in-one smart bar is engineered from the ground up for professionals who refuse to settle for subpar video quality during high-stakes presentations. The standout feature right out of the gate is the ultra-high-definition 4K camera sensor paired with a massive 120-degree wide-angle lens. Instead of cramming your team together or constantly adjusting your laptop screen, this expansive field of view captures everyone in the room comfortably. Driven by advanced artificial intelligence, the camera features seamless auto-framing and speaker tracking. The moment someone starts talking, the lens smoothly and intelligently adjusts its focus to center on the active speaker, keeping the flow of your meeting incredibly natural without anyone ever touching a remote. Audio performance is just as impressive as the video. Yealink integrated an advanced beamforming microphone array alongside a high-fidelity, distortion-free speaker directly into the chassis. Utilizing proprietary AI noise cancellation algorithms, the microphone actively suppresses background distractions like clicking keyboards, rustling papers, or air conditioning hums while perfectly isolating human voices. This ensures you can hear every subtle inflection and syllable with pristine clarity, making long corporate sessions on Microsoft Teams or Zoom feel exactly like an in-person conversation. Deploying this system requires absolutely zero IT experience or complex software installations. It relies on a pure plug-and-play USB connection, allowing you to unbox it, plug it straight into your PC or Mac, and instantly launch your meeting platform of choice. The compact, low-profile design fits elegantly right on top of your monitor or mounts cleanly to the wall, instantly streamlining your workstation by replacing a separate webcam, microphone, and desktop speakers with a single, highly efficient unit. If you are ready to command your next digital meeting with striking 4K visuals, intelligent AI framing, and studio-grade noise-canceling audio, this all-in-one video bar is the ultimate executive upgrade. Make sure to click the link below for the best price available right now. Thank you so much for watching. Drop a comment letting me know if you prefer Zoom or Microsoft Teams for your daily workflow, and I will see you in the next video.